This is Rockcrok month, so if you're a host, then you can get 60% off any of the Rockcrok pans. And so I'm going to show you a couple of things that will save time and cleanup when you're cooking dinner. And this first one I'm going to show you is mashed potatoes in the microwave. It's with my everyday Rockcrok, and what this is stoneware that's glazed, so it can reach a higher temperature than even cast iron. It'll go in your oven, on your grill, in your microwave, in your dishwasher, on your stovetop. It's really awesome. So with these mashed potatoes, all I'm going to do is cut them up, put them in my everyday Rockcrok, put the lid on, and microwave for 12 to 14 minutes. And at the end of the time, they are ready to mash.